The Bafana Bafana coach Hugo Broos is nursing a big headache after his side was drowned in the Bucha swimming pool by a determined Rwanda on Tuesday. Following the rain, Bafana Bafana were sunk 2-0 on a waterlogged pitch at the High Stadium, forfeiting their spot at the summit of Group C to Rwanda. Now, with the preparations for the Africa Cup of Nations AFCON in January next on Broos' diary, the Belgian is facing another dilemma, that of having all his players available for pre-camp. The Premier Soccer League (PSL) has scheduled fixtures right up to December 31, with the AFCON penciled to start 13 days later on January 13th. The PSL will play its matches throughout the Christmas period and around the New Year's festivities, something rare in South African football. This means Broos will have to finalize his final squad around December and then fine-tune his charges 2 weeks before the tournament gets underway. The coach will be hoping that none of his best players suffer injuries and that the likes of Lee Foster are back on the field playing for their club again. About the embarrassing loss to Rwanda, Broos will want to forget about it so that he can quickly shift the focus to the AFCON in Ivory Coast. The coach said it's normal to arrive in a country and then travel 3 hours in a bus before you are at the final destination. I will not say it's the reason we lost the game, not at all, but I think those things have to change. We are in 2023, we are talking about professional football, and this pitch is not professional. You don't let an opponent travel 3 hours from an airport for their destination. This is only my remark, nothing to do with the defeat. Rwanda took the lead in the 12th minute through Innocent Schultz's low shot that took the visitors' goalkeeper Ronwen Williams by surprise. After the goal, the home side looked more galvanized and continued to apply pressure. Gilbert Mugisha netted the second goal in the 28th minute when he took advantage of the confusion between Khuliso Mudau and Williams. Bafana Bafana exerted pressure towards the end of the match, but the host rearguard stood firm to secure a famous victory. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.